In today's era, especially in young generation, the craze of riding bikes is rapidly increasing. Most of the people prefer two-wheeler instead of four-wheeler. As a result, number of two-wheeler on road are increasing. This leads into increased accidents on road. To reduce road accident and for safety of rider, we have come up with a project. Smart helmet with intercom system.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Patil and I am going to demonstrate a project on smart helmet. In this is the bike unit. In this bike unit you can see this is the GPS module for live location. We have used an Arduino for interfacing multiple sensors and modules, and this is the GSM unit for sending SMS and the live location, and this is the vibration sensor for the detection of accident. And as you can see, this is this switch we have used. This indicates the ignition key, and the LED we have used that will indicate the start and stop of the bike. The helmet unit. On this helmet unit we have 3 IR sensors to detect whether the rider has put on the helmet or not. Here we have got the MQ3 alcohol sensor for detection of whether the rider has consumed the alcohol, and these sensors are interfaced with the Arduino Nano. Also we have a battery indicator here. So as I have told, this switch is indicating the ignition key, and I am turning on and off, and the LED is not glowing. So this means that the biker has not put on the helmet. So now I am putting on this helmet. So guys, as the rider has put on the helmet, and now I am going to switch on the ignition key. As you can see that the LED is indicating that the bike has started. When the bike has started, an SMS will pop up on your mobile phone. Biker has started the bike. So for the demonstration whether the rider has consumed alcohol or not, I am using this fragrance which contains some alcohol in it. I am putting this fragrance on the MQ3 sensor, which is the alcohol sensor. So as the alcohol is detected and the bike has stopped, and you can see an SMS has occurred that biker is drunk. This SMS will be sent to relatives. So for the detection of accident, we have used a vibration sensor. So for accident detection, as you can see, as accident is detected, LED has gone off. That means the bike has stopped. So when the bike meets an accident, an SMS will be sent to biker relatives or parents that accident occurred, along with the Google Maps link. So when you click on this link, you will get the live location of the bike where the accident had occurred, and also you can get the directions over here. For the security purpose, we have implemented an IDA in a project that after every 1 hour, the parents will get the current location of the rider. So we have received an SMS with the current location along with the Google Maps link. So as we click on this link, we will get the current location of the rider.
So this system will make it compulsory for a rider to wear the helmet before starting a bike. Also, it will prevent drink and drive cases.